Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of a Line. Let's solve it together. Write the equation of the line T if it is perpendicular to line L. So we're looking for the equation of a line T, and it is perpendicular. What does perpendicular means? If two lines are intersecting with a 90 degree, it's called perpendicular lines. So we need to find the equation of the T, but before that, what do we know about the line L and also perpendicular lines? If you're talking about perpendicular lines, this is the formula you need to remember. M1 times M2 is -1. And also, let me show you, if it is M1 is, let's say, -3/5, then what should it be, the M2? It's going to be the opposite reciprocal of -3/5, which is +5/3, because when you multiply -3/5 by 5/3, you get -1. Anyway, so we'll just continue with this question. We will need to find its slope, the line L, ML. For that, we know that this line is passing through this point, and here you can use geometry as well for this problem, but I will use just regular slope formula, where even you know 2 points that the line passes through, this is the formula to calculate slope. So this is x value is 4, this is y value is 0, and this point x value is 0 and y is -2. If you will substitute these values in, because the line L passes through these 2 points, you will find its slope. Let's call this x1 and y1, x2 and y2. In this case, -2 minus 0 over and 0 minus 4. That gives you -2 over -4. And if you will simplify it, it's +1/2. So we found the ML, the line, the slope of the line L is as 1/2. Then what do you think is the slope of the line MT? It has to be opposite reciprocal of 1/2, which is going to be, first of all, this negative. -2/1, which is -2. So to write the equation of the line T, you will use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 formula. This formula is called point slope formula. So the line T, what do we know about it? We know that this line T is passing through this point, and what are the coordinates of that point? It's 0 and 1. So we're just going to substitute y minus y1 is 1, and slope is -2, x minus 0. And if you will distribute this, y minus 1 equals -2 times x is -2x. You don't have to multiply -2 by 0 because it's going to become 0 anyway. Add 1 to both sides. Y is -2x plus 1. This is the equation of the line T. Line T. This is how we calculate it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.